My name is Martin Goudreau. I'm the founder of 12.44productions, which is specialized in entertainment. And what we do is we are helping clients, whether they are operator, hospitality operator, developers, or even nations. We help them creating values for the guests and for their projects by bringing a layer of entertainment on everything they do. So we work with creating stories, we're playing with the emotions, we're playing with IPs in order to bring value inside of those projects. And I'm also working with some of the most important players in the entertainment industry, such as Cirque du Soleil from Montreal, Moment Factory from Montreal, Balich Wonder Studio from Italy, and Disney as well. So having access to all those great names and big organizations from the entertainment world, it gives us the opportunity to maximize the value of projects around the world.